welcome back to my channel Fairies Art and Craft. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and let's get into the video. First, we can make some bit of paper using old newspapers or some old written papers. So next we can take a old plastic bottle from which we can going to make today's art. So first of all, I am covering my plastic bottle with some bit of paper which we have made already. So let us cover the whole water bottle with bit of newspapers. So yes, I have covered the whole part with bit of papers and I have painted the front part as red color, and I am going to do some layer of colors at the back side with a highlight border. Now I am using a neon sketch pen to make each border. So yes, I am making a thick border. I have started to paint with my own favorite colors. You can use your own favorite colors to make some layers. Next, again I have used the neon sketch pen to make the next border. Now I am going to repeat the same procedure. So yes, the art is almost ready. I have told already that I have painted the red part in the front, and I am going to write the quotation I want. You can use your own quotations. I am going to use the word Happy New Year 2022. So yes, that is not clear in the video. I am going to paint the words with white color as it seems red and white more beautiful. I also want to wish you that Happy New Year to all. So yes, I have painted the words fully with white color, and now I am going to decorate using some stones, lace. Now I am applying some fabric glue on the lace, and now I am going to cover it on the top of the bottle. I am using the another orange lace down to the blue lace, and I am going to stick using fabric glue. On the border of the each color, I am going to decorate using some stones and I am going to make some designs. And I am using the rainbow colored stones on the first blue layer and I am going to stick it as a line. So yes, now you can see as a line. And next in the red color I am going to make some flowers with blue center dots and some green petals. So it is not clear in the video. I am going to attach the photo of the layer and the designs of the each border in the side of the video. So cover the orange lace with full of these flowers. So yes. In the next layer, that is yellow, I am going to make some zigzag dot stones using pink colored stone. So I am going to make my own designs which are in my mind. You can make your own designs or you can use these designs. And also yes, I am making the designs only at the center of the layered parts on the side. We can make another designs. So yes, I am showing that first we have designed the first 4 borders and now we can going to design the full borders of pink color. So I am making the cross lines of blue colored stones as you can see in the video. I have used the 4 dots to make each cross line with some distance. Yes, as I have told already, we are covering the last border, that is pink colored layer with full of cross lines of blue colored stones. So yes, as I have told already that we are going to make another designs in the sides of the bottle. I am going to make a flower at one side of the bottle. So yes, I am using the rainbow colored stone and a silver stone at the center, as you can see in the video. It seems good. Okay, next I am going to make a stem of the flower using the green colored stone, as you can see in the video. Next, at the another side of the bottle, I am going to make some designs. As you can see, it is not clear, but while applying glue, it seems very clear. I am using the fabric glue to stick some stones. So yes. I am going to use a big stone at one side of the design, as you can see. So yes, the outer design is ready. Now inside the design I am going to make a flower with a blue center and the white petals. Wow, it seems very beautiful. Will you try this amazing beautiful art? If you try, comment below. Let us give the final touch to this bottle with some sparkle of glitters. So I am using the silver colored sparkle of glitters and I am going to dust the glitters fully. So yes, it is shining like stars. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, comment your opinion and share with your one best friend. Thank you.